Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we have 2y. So we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So we just have only this one in here. And now we have positive 2y cosine s sin s. And we know that 2 cosine s sin s we have y sin 2s. And we see that this one and this one, they are not the same. So in this situation, we can use about integrating factor. So we see that on b, we have sin 2s. This one we have sin 2s. And this one we have sin 2s. So in this situation, we need to use about mu y because we want to create about this one. That means we multiply both sides by mu y. And now we have the new one for b and q in here. So we want to have db over dy equals to dq over ds. And now if we do first the derivative of this one and this one, we have like this. And now we divide both sides by y sin 2s. So mu y we put in here. And this one I will put in here. So this one we have 1 mu y. Next, we divide both sides by mu y and negative y. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of mu y. And negative we put inside about natural law in here. That means mu y equals to y to the power of negative number 1, or we can put 1 over y. So we need to multiply both sides by 1 over y. This one we have y sine 2x. This one we have 1 over y minus cosine x squared. So I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. And now we have dx. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y, and we have sine 2x. And the second one, that is about number 2 cosine x sine x, and this one we have sine 2x. And we see that this one and this one, they are the same. So this is about exact. Now we need to set up about fxy equals to the integration. So I need to choose about this one plus 3xy. So the integration of sine 2x, we have negative 1 over 2 y cosine 2x. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. This one we have number 1. So we have negative 1 over 2 cosine 2x plus d over dy 3xy. And we know that this one equals to this one. So cosine 2x, that is about 2 cosine 2x squared minus 1. And this one we have negative cosine x squared plus 1 over 2. And now we need to simplify negative cosine x squared for the both sides, and 1 over 2 I will put in here. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of 1 over y, we have ln of the absolute value of y, 1 over 2, we have y over 2, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy, and 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy, fxy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.